Number 3, give more. Number 4, expect less. And number 5, live simply. WhatsApp message claiming corona vaccine has been launched in India fake, said government. A WhatsApp forward message claiming that a corona vaccine has been launched in India and people have to register for it by downloading a vaccine app has gone viral. The government has clarified that the claim is fake and that no COVID-19 vaccine has been launched in India yet. It further said that the app has also not been launched. 3 Australian kids developed COVID-19 antibodies without ever testing positive, the study said. The 3 Australian children developed COVID-19 antibodies without testing positive despite close contact with infected parents, a study published in Nature Communications said. The study, led by Madrid Children's Research Institute, raised the possibilities that despite exposure, the children's immune system allowed them to effectively stop the virus from replicating inside cells, the researchers said. The India records 45,576 new COVID-19 cases, 585 deaths in the 24 hours. India has recorded 45,576 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's total number of cases to 89,58,483. The death toll due to the disease rose to 1,31,578, with 585 more deaths. The number of active COVID-19 cases stands at 4,43,303, after as many as 83,83,602 people recovered from the disease so far. Tamil Nadu man living in damaged hut gets new house as gift from school friends. A 44-year-old truck driver in Tamil Nadu's Pudukkottai Muthukumar, who has been living in a hut damaged due to Cyclone Gaja, has received a new house as Diwali gift from his school friends. Muthukumar's school friend Nagendran decided to help him after they met recently. Nagendran and his friends got a new house constructed at the cost of 1.5 lakh rupees. United Arab Emirates woman travels to all 7 continents in less than 87 hours, sets Guinness record. United Arab Emirates Dr. Kawla Al Romaiti managed to break Guinness World Record for fastest time to travel all 7 continents in 3 days, 14 hours, 46 minutes, 48 seconds. During her trip, which ended in Australia on February 13, Al Romaiti visited 208 countries and dependent territories. It demanded patience in airports as well as having to deal with constant plane rides, she said. 14-year-old Chinese boy becomes world's tallest male teenager at 7 feet 3 inches. A 14-year-old Chinese boy, Ren Keiyu, measuring 7 feet 3 inches, has received the Guinness World Records title for the tallest teenager male. The desks and chairs in Ren's home and schools are tailor-made to accommodate his height. The previous record holder is Kevin Bradford from the US, who was over 5 centimeters shorter than Ren in his teenage years. Device that uses UVC light with air circulation to kill coronavirus in homes made. A device that circulates air and filters it using the UVC light, which has been proven effective in killing the virus that causes COVID-19, has been created. The nanowave air, developed by US-based Dynamics, contains UVC light within its body and neutralizes novel coronavirus that may be present in an enclosed space by funneling air through it at high speeds. Digital India has become a way of life, says PM Modi. Inaugurating the Bangalore Tech Summit 2020 via video conference on Thursday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that the Digital India mission launched by the government 5 years ago has become a way of life. Prime Minister Modi added, thanks to Digital India, our nation has witnessed a more human-centric approach to development. Our governance model is technology first, he said. Traffic constable performs duty during heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. A police shares video. Thoothukudi Alice Tuticorin SP S. Jaikumar gave a gift as a token of appreciation to Tamil Nadu Traffic Constable Muthuraja, who was seen performing his duty during heavy rains. The Thoothukudi District Police also shared Muthuraja's video on its official Facebook page. Reacting to the video that was also shared on Twitter, a user on the platform called Muthuraja a real hero. The first salary trends on Twitter as users, celebrities reveal their first salary and job. The first salary was trending on Twitter on Wednesday after Twitter users including Bollywood celebrities and politicians revealed their first salary, job and what did they do with the money. Director Anupav Sinha tweeted, first salary is 80 rupees, age is 18, arithmetic tuition to students to earn for smoking. Filmmaker Hansel Mehta revealed he earned 450 rupees per month at the age of 16. the Nature Bridge in Finland, one of the beautiful places in the world. The largest stadium in the world is the Rangrado 1st of May Stadium in North Korea. It covers 51 acres and is 197 feet tall. Hypersomnia is a condition where a person can sleep for 12 to 15 hours but still wake up feeling tired. When you are 31 years old, you will live your billionth second. The name Adidas comes from the name of the founder Adolf Dassler. The three stripes above the name form the shape of mountain to indicate the challenges athletes have to face and how Adidas could help them to achieve greater heights.